You see, big up the whole Gaza, I say a G-Son represent for Gaza, you see. Yeah, big up Sean Star, big up World Boss, you see me? Big up Sikaran, big up Tucson, big up John D, you see me? I say yo, big up the whole Vitek production, you see me? A G-Son represent for the video show. Free Gaza, you see me? A mad thing, you know. So I say yo, big up the whole of my friend them, and everybody will turn out for Sikaran video show, Free Gaza, you see it? Yeah, mad thing.
I just stand, I got them in need and I'm Gaza, give it to the leader. Them fi know say I shot one when me clap one, girl run and back them just like a taxman. Then me clap 6 more like a batsman. This are the Gaza from Afghanistan, and they represent from the Gaza because I think some boy I go off. I left them to time cause the time of the master. Me know say them off, them my life's one shorter. But master slash is what to stand on, and represent me the Gaza blood. Me nah sell out, me nah inform to call one down. Me know and I'm a farmer that's so from you know I say I Gaza you say I know I say you're not a say Unshoto Gaza Gaza Unshoto Gaza Gaza Unshoto Gaza Gaza we are ready for the Gaza star on the world but so they are up we are holding on the line still gas do not bother cross so more I say Gaza I them out of the box the world yes we are in the real to the thing them lane to the thing them
Tell them, big up yourself. I don't know how Gaza there. Vitek production and Tucson represent. Big up Sean Star, World Boss, anybody them there. You got one and talk them around all the time. Mad thing, Jason, you know you say. Tell them, say, I no play. When Jason, you're running there, man. You don't know behind the scene, is it? Which is behind the scene. You don't know any more violent thing. You don't know. Oh gosh. Mad thing. Is it? Gaza where? Big up Princess Ty, Sikaram, Shock One, you don't know, John D. Tucson said that, you see, big up Dancer, Vitek Production, Ginger B. Everybody there, so the whole Gaza, you know. Baba Shaban, the whole people there. Oh gosh, Bellamy.
Africa,